Guys, today we'll talk about how can you add country or change your country on your by phone app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do is you just go here above this sign, click on it here. We just click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on account settings, click on it here. We just click on it, then it's going to take you to next step here. So then you click here on personal information. We just click here on personal information. It's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here, you come here to your country, click in this sign here. We just click on it here. It's going to show for you this like this here. Then here can you select your country here in this list on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to when you add your country here, you go down, click here on save, then it's going to save with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.